Hey guys, welcome in a technology welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to remove completely iCloud activation log, how to bypass iCloud activation log from any Apple device. Same procedure that can be executed to terminate iCloud activation log, guys. At the moment, especially see here iPhone 5. Now see it's saying that it has been stuck on your iCloud activation log. So put your previous one password and ID. Now see guys, this phone is linked to an Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password. That's what you used to set up this device. So in that situation here, see, if you don't know what's the real ID and password of this device, then of any device guys, then now it's not a matter of anxiety. Very easily within a 5 to 10 minutes you will be able to terminate it. But for it guys, now see here, we need to firstly terminate here. I see here, if you would like to terminate this iCloud activation log here, this one's, we need to firstly jailbreak. So here Chakra and one, this is iPhone 5s, so jailbreak that will be also very difficult because iOS is working 12.5. so from 12.2 to 3 to below 13 you will have a much difficult to jailbreak of this. But however, I will show you here a clue. This will be very easy to jailbreak also within a 1 to 2 minutes. So see, this is a Chakra 1 and USB bootable flash drive. So just I am going to insert in my laptops. So I have inserted now. Now simply I am going to shut down this computer. Now see guys, I will select the boot device. Now see, it has been disconnected. So now I will select here boot selection. So now see, it has been, now charging plug has been connected. Now I will select this boot menu. Just I will enter it. Now I will select the USB pen drive wherever we have created Chakra 1 jailbreak flash drive. So now see guys, this one I have selected now. Now see, it has started to. So now see guys, here I have to wait. So here, as we know that in an iPhone 5s we are having the problem of jailbreak. Sometimes we getting error here. So this one also we will address quickly here. So see, I will select the option, and option first I will select the allow untested. Alright, and then we have to select skip all BPR check, and this one we don't have to. So wherever X that should be in a blockchain, second one that should be skip in all BPR, and X should be selected in allow untested iOS. Fine. Now just I will here select back and I will enter. Now once again, now see guys, here start mode is not highlighted. It means here, see guys, start, it hasn't been selected. So once again I will this one close it. Now once again I will press the boot selections. So now I select it. Now see, I will select once again this one, boot menu to this ones. Now I have to wait here. So now see, it has connected. Now once again I have to select allow, skip all, and just I will go for back to. So see, start button is not going to highlight here, so might be some problem here. So let me just keep it in a DFU mode directly. Now DFU. Still having error, guys, here. This should be here connected. So might be some error here, that's why I'm having a problem. That is why it's not going to highlight it also, guys. Let me once again try. This one I need to select. Might be problem in our hardware also, guys, that's why I'm having a problem. Boot. Now it's highlighted finally, guys. So see, just option to allow. In a 5S you will have a problem otherwise. So select it. Now just I will go for a start. So see, guys, here once again I would like to confirm you here, just to see, still it's in a activation mode. Select it, just let me go for next. See, guys, still it's in activation lock. So now just I will go for jailbreak by clicking on a start. Just I will go for next now. So it's going to push on in a recovery mode. So now see, finally it came to the recovery mode. Now just I will go for start and I will press this one and this one. So let me just start now. Now see, guys, here I have to release on off button and we have to hold till it's not going now. DFU selection now entered successfully, guys. Now see, guys, here you will have the problem in a jailbreak of 5S because the iOS working more than 12.4 is working and less than, especially 13 and more than 12, guys. So in the midst of that you will have problem to a jailbreak. But however, let's see here, I would like to show you if any error comes, then you have to how quickly resolve of this. So almost 40% is completed, guys. Here I need to wait 60%, then I will address this error if error comes. Now see, guys, 60% is completed. Now just immediately you have to here this one then it will reboot, otherwise you will have the problem because it was not rebooting and not jailbreaking. So that's why actually I quickly this step. It will assist in a see now it will assist in a jailbreaking and rebooting of this device. So finally see, it has been jailbreaked now. So see, uploading boot strip finally done. So simply guys, I have done this once. Now simply I will now see guys, one thing more I would like to tell you here. If you would like to just quickly remove the iCloud activation lock permanently, then simply guys, what you have to do, I would like to tell you here. Now see here, we have a Tinos here for key tool. Simply I will connect this one guys here. Quickly I will connect here. If your device is already jailbreaks now, then it will connect here quickly. So now see, just I will go for quickly address of this problem. So let me cut this one and I will go for here. Yes, I will accept all the term and condition of there, no problem. Now it's connecting here. It's saying that not connected. So once again I will try here guys. It's saying that your device is not a jailbreak, so might be some error here once again. So let me quickly change this USB cable jack. Fine. I have to wait here guys. Still we have a problem. Once again let me go for still having problem guys, and I decided to quickly open this one. So once again let me check it out. Might be error guys here. It means it's not a finally proper way jailbreak. So once again I need to jailbreak off this ones quickly. So how can I go for quickly guys? It will take a time, but however let me once again do this. So simply once same funda I have to follow guys. Just I got an error here in a jailbreaking, so once again I will do it. Once again I will go for boot to HP to let me enter. Once again I will select here, start is highlighted, so of course I can add procedure. Fine. Now I will back to just I will go for start to next. Now finally it came in recovery mode. Just I will go for start plus this one. I have to release this on a button and keep holding this one till it's not going into DFU mode. Successfully done. Now I have to wait here. Let's wait guys here. I don't know guys, but you will have the problem in a 5S. Otherwise, except 5 and 5S, of course, easily you will be able to, by a same procedure, terminate iCloud within a 5 to 10 minutes guys. Now quickly just I have to, otherwise might be in a pending. So now see it's booting, because sometimes guys this jailbreak procedure is going to stuck on especially on this option, and it's not going to reboot. So that's why especially guys we skip off here for time being, so it will start to reboot. Now it's done 100%. So just I will go for now quickly remove. I will check it out once again. Finally it's in jailbreak or not guys. If it has been jailbreak, then this software will catch it quickly. Now see, now finally it has been jailbreak guys. Now see, it has taken it quickly. So if I see iCloud activation status, what is situation of this, then might be still it's a finally jailbreak guys, but it will be stuck on especially iCloud activation lock. So just I will bypass by using this tool. So see guys, still it's on a activation lock. So quickly just see guys, just I will start within a scarcely 30 seconds it will take guys. Now see, it will start to reboot, and after rebooting off this one, now see it's saying that update completed successfully and continue, don't do continue. Now it's saying that finally successfully. So now it's restarting. Let's see. So of course after all I have done this one, unlocked. So see guys, if I see there is no iCloud. Now see, no iCloud is here. So if I close the Wi-Fi here and Bluetooth, and if I see this one 4G, now see guys, this one completed I have. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Furthermore, any inquiry guys, then of course you can raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query guys. Now see, there is no iCloud. It's a blank totally. And furthermore, if we see here, this is a Chakra N1. By using this tool, actually I have cracked of this one. So now see, of course network is also coming finally. So no issues guys in this device. Thank you guys, thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.